Are you coloring? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to what I'm packing in my hospital bag. As a second time mom, I've been wanting to film this video. I am 37 weeks pregnant with my second baby and I have everything out and ready to be packed and it's time to pack. So I wanted to film this video. No touching, no touching. And everything I packed for my son, I kept a list in my phone of what I actually used, and it's what I'm packing this time, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Hi. You're coloring. So, okay, we're just gonna get into it. Say hi. Hi. Kisses. So nice, thank you. I am going to try to get through this as fast as I can and we're just gonna get started. I have a list on my phone, like I said. I'll have everything listed in the description box of what I'm bringing, and yeah, I'm gonna start with what I'm packing for baby. If you are new here and you don't know, we're doing a surprise gender, so we do not know if this baby is a boy or a girl, so nothing is gender specific. I have everything for baby in this little bag. So yeah, for clothes, I am bringing 2 of these itty bitty little onesies from H&M. This one's kind of like an oatmeal color. And then I'm gonna bring a white one and then some white pants that match the white one. If the baby's itty bitty, these are probably what we're gonna put on them just because they're so itty bitty and teeny tiny. And I'm also bringing this little Kite Baby white sleeper. It's a button snap one to go home in, just something comfy and cozy for the baby to go home in. And then along with the outfits, I have this little tiny blue hat for if baby is a boy, and then I have this little pink bow for if baby's a girl. And then I am bringing one of the little Love to Dream swaddles. We brought one of these with Cohen and he really liked it. This baby also has their little arms up in ultrasound, so bringing this guy. Something I'm bringing of my own this time is a travel size pack of Coterie wipes. These are our favorite wipes. They are the best. The wipes at the hospital when we had him were awful. They were like no name brand. I don't know what they were. We're packing our own. These are our favorite, and I have this little travel size pack that fits perfectly, perfect for the hospital stay. So yes, and then we're also gonna bring just one burp cloth. Might not use this because they don't spit up the first couple days, I feel like, and it's just like less messy, but once your milk comes in, crucial. So I'm just gonna bring it just in case we need it for anything. And then also bringing a pair of little newborn socks to either use as mittens or socks if they're wearing the little outfit that doesn't have the feet. Also bringing a passy, which again, don't know if we'll use in the hospital. I'm bringing one of these because I feel like every single baby likes these. Don't know if we'll use that in the hospital or not, but gonna bring it just in case. Okay, if you hear Miss Rachel in the background, just ignore it. We're gonna continue packing this bag. Next, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm packing for myself for postpartum and breastfeeding and just stuff for me, basically. So I'm gonna bring a few nursing bras. I probably won't wear all 3 of these, but I literally couldn't make up my mind which one I wanted to bring. So I have 2 different styles of the Manda bras. I have like this style with the clips. I've got this style where you kind of just pull the side down, and then I have this hatch bra as well. So a few different options. Probably not necessary to have all 3, but I couldn't make up my mind, so. And I'm gonna bring a pair of grippy socks to give birth in. These ones are the ones I wore when I gave birth to Cohen, and so they're just like good vibes. They say, baby, you're worth it on the bottom of them in the grips. So we're bringing those. Literally, all I'm bringing for breastfeeding and postpartum for myself. I've got nipple butter. This one my friend got, and I like the fact that it's in a tube, and it reminds me of the Lanolin, but it's cleaner, or the Lancino one, but it's like a cleaner one. We've got my silhouettes. We've got these guys. These were great. They will give you these in the hospital. Well, at least they did for me, the Medela ones. But these feel really nice when your nips are on fire. I got some nipple pads, except I know I probably won't use them because you don't really leak the first couple of days until your milk comes in. We've got a scrunchie and one pair of the Freedom Mom shorts to wear home. And that's literally it as far as that goes. And then I'm going to bring some Aquaphor for my lips, except you could totally use nipple cream for your lips to moisturize them. And then I'm bringing a black little washcloth to wash my face with, just so I don't get makeup all over everything, because I'm a makeup girl, so I'm always wearing makeup. I'm also going to pack a few of these hydration packs from Element to have for post-birth recovery, just to throw in my water, which I'll also be bringing my like 30-40 ounce cup. But a few of these to just throw in my water to get extra electrolytes and hydration for recovery after birth, because let me tell you, giving birth is like running a marathon. So any extra recovery I will take. And I've been loving these Element electrolyte drink mixes. I've been absolutely loving these. They are an electrolyte hydration drink mix without all of the extra ick in them. There's no dyes, there's no extra sugars, there's all good things, and they work really well and taste really good. So I have been absolutely loving these. Each stick pack delivers a meaningful dose of electrolytes free of sugar, artificial colors, or other dodgy ingredients. You can get your free Element sample pack with any purchase at drinkelement.com/Olivia Cantrell. Also, try the new Element Sparkling, a bold 16 ounce can of sparkling electrolyte water. There's no question asked refunds. Try it totally risk free. If you don't like it, we'll refund you your order. No questions asked. Definitely check it out. I'll have it linked down below for you guys. I'm gonna pack a few of these guys in there, and then also I'm gonna pack a box for the nurses, because everyone deserves good hydration. So I'm gonna throw a box of these into my little nurse goodie baskets when I make those. And what else? Okay, so also for myself, I'm gonna bring this like little button down nightgown. I brought this to the hospital when I had Cohen, and it was really nice to wear. And then I'm also bringing some black pajamas. I have like a normal button down pajama shirt, and then a pair of pants and a pair of shorts to go with it. In case I'm hot or cold, I have both options. So I'm gonna bring those. And then this time, something I didn't bring when I had Cohen, but I am this time, is a robe from Barefoot Dreams. It's just white, and it's their shorter, like thinner one. So it's like so hot here, so I don't want a heavy one like my other one. But I loved wearing a robe postpartum when I had him. So I'm gonna bring this to the hospital, because I feel like it's so nice to be just in like your diaper, nursing bra, robe, so they can come in and check you easily, do your fundal massages easily. It's just comfy, easy for nursing, all of that. I'm also bringing a blanket. I have a new one from Barefoot Dreams, so cozy. I loved having my own blanket. My husband can use it, and then I can use it when I'm not like gross. That's everything I'm bringing for myself, and then the rest on my list I'll put on screen, but it's stuff for my husband, which he can pack, like extra shorts or like an extra outfit, some underwear. And then I'm gonna bring like my Polaroid maybe and my camera. I wanna bring 2 like 10-foot chargers, my water cup like I said, snacks for my husband and also for me after I give birth. What else? A file folder for all the paperwork that you get in the hospital when you're getting discharged and everything. Oh, I forgot to show you. I have my toiletry bag with just like makeup wipes, dry shampoo, deodorant, body wash, toothpaste, toothbrush. And then I will also throw my makeup in here whenever I'm in labor. Just like my everyday makeup, I'll throw on the other side of this bag. But toiletries I forgot to mention. Sorry, this video is a little chaotic because he took a 20-minute nap in the car today, and this was the day I needed to film this video because 1, I can have a baby at any moment, and 2, I just wanted to get this done so badly. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I mentioned everything else that I will bring. Pretty simple, I would say. I think I'll use everything that I have packed. And yeah, oh, and my hairbrush. I'll bring my hairbrush when I pack my makeup. Obviously I use that, so I'm not gonna pack it yet. But that is everything that I'm gonna pack. We're having a baby so soon. Also, this is what I'm packing in. This is my diaper bag. It's stunning. I'm obsessed with it. It's from Mina Bay. and it's like the tote. I think it's called, what's it called? Sure, exactly the name. I'll link it. But I'm gonna pack what I can fit in this, and then whatever doesn't fit, I will throw into probably a backpack. And then I also have these like packing cubes to just organize better because I can't do that right now. Yeah, that's everything I'm packing for the hospital. I hope this video was helpful to any new moms, first time moms, any moms getting ready to give birth and is looking for some info on what they need. This is everything I brought and used for my first, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to go check out Element. I'll have it all linked below along with everything else in this video. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Give them kisses. So nice. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Pick a movie, I'll pick you up, we'll go eat sushi. Or we'll go downtown, with our best moves we can boogie. Oh my, we both look so fly, like sweet apple pie. Yeah, they want a piece of us. My, when we drive on by, they just can't deny. Yeah, they wanna be like us. Na 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 na.